Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you the tips and tricks like circle to search in your Realme smartphone. So this is how you can enable it. When you just circle anything about it, and it will give you a detailed things and information about on the Google. So you can see there are lots of apps. So friends, you can see I have this pen drive. To know about this, you can just simply take a picture about that. You can see like this. I have taken the picture. Now you have to just click on the picture and long press the home screen button like this. So it will on the circle to search, and I am just circling on this part of this. So you can see it is give me a details information and specification about that. So this is an SanDisk Cruiser Snap USB flash drive. So you can see it give like this. So you can try on anything you want. So here it is the pin. If you know about that, here it is the pin. Long press the home screen, just circle it like this, and you can see it is now start searching on the Google, and it's give a detailed information about it. You can just read it or you can listen it. So I will tell you how you can enable that feature. First you have to come to the settings. You have to click on search, and here you have to write circle to search. Here it is the feature in the system and update. Tap on here. So you will see touch and hold the home screen to gesture a guide to start searching for it. So you have to enable it like this. And if you have enabled anything, if you don't know about this feature, you can see just long press the home screen. If you know about that, just start, it will start searching about that. So you can see about this icon. It is a traditional item of academic dress commonly associated with the successful completion of degree scholarship. So this is how you can know. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.